Today I'm going through 5 fitness digital products from the Sellvia catalog that have some of the highest profit margins on the platform. By successfully selling only 3 of them, you can easily earn up to $5,000 a month. So if you're building a store and you're not sure what to focus on, fitness is one of the most consistent categories you can choose. And here's why. Type home workout into Google Trends and look at the last 5 years. The line never drops to zero. People search for fitness content every single month. January resolution spike, yes, but also March, July, October. Fitness is evergreen. It doesn't have an off-season. Same with workout routine. Flat, consistent, never stops. This is the kind of search demand you want behind your products. Let's look at what the Sellvia catalog actually has in this space. Before we get into the specific products, it's worth understanding why fitness sells so well as a digital category. There are a few reasons. First, no logistics. These are digital downloads. No gym equipment, no shipping boxes, no returns. Someone buys a workout guide at 11 p.m., it's in their inbox at 11 p.m. Second, the audience is huge and motivated. Fitness buyers are actively trying to change something about their lives. They're not browsing, they're looking for a solution right now. And third, the margins on fitness bundles in this catalog are some of the highest I've seen on the platform. We're talking $130 to $150 profit on a single sale. Let me show you the top 5. Number 1. The All-in-One Workout Routine Toolkit, a 5-in-1 bundle for balanced fitness. This is the highest profit fitness product in the catalog. Retail price, $337.99. Your profit on every sale, $152.50. This is a bundle, 5 separate guides packaged together. The perceived value is high, which is why it can command that price point. Look at the product description. 5 complete workout guides covering different aspects of fitness: strength, cardio, flexibility, recovery. This is exactly the type of product someone buys when they're serious about changing their routine. They want a complete system, not just one tip. And check the trend: workout plan for beginners. Consistent search volume all year. The audience for this product is always there. Number 2. The Everyday Functional Fitness Program. Another 5-in-1 bundle, this time focused on functional fitness. Guides, ebooks, and checklists. Retail $333.99. Your profit $150.34. Almost identical to the first one. What I like about this one specifically is the functional fitness angle. Functional fitness is a search term that attracts a broader audience than pure gym workouts. It includes people who just want to move better, avoid pain, stay active as they age. That's a much bigger market than hardcore gym goers. Look at functional fitness on Trends. It's been growing steadily. This is a topic gaining momentum, which means more organic search traffic landing on your store over time. Number 3. The Complete Mobility Workout Toolkit, a 4-in-1 bundle focused on flexibility and pain-free movement. Retail $330.99. Your profit $149.19. Still over $149 per sale. This one targets a slightly older audience, people in their 30s, 40s, and beyond who feel stiff, have back pain, or want to stay active without injury. This is actually a very high-value customer segment. They have disposable income, they take their health seriously, and they're willing to pay for something that promises real relief. Check mobility exercises on Trends. Growing consistently over 5 years. This is not a fad, it's a long-term shift in how people think about fitness. Less no pain, no gain, more stay functional for life. Your store taps right into that. Number 4. The Simple Gym Training Pack, a 5-in-1 bundle for building strength and motivation. Retail $290.99. Your profit $131.19. The word simple in the title is doing a lot of work here. Beginners searching for gym guidance are intimidated. They don't want a complicated program. They want something that tells them exactly what to do. This product delivers that, and the title signals it immediately. Number 5. Stronger Week by Week, a 3-in-1 lifting routine bundle specifically for men. Retail $290.99. Your profit $130.50. What makes this interesting is the gender targeting. For men, immediately narrows the audience, and a narrower, more specific audience often converts better in ads than a broad generic one. If you're running the built-in Sellvia ads, this kind of product gives the algorithm a clearer signal of who to show it to. Now, how do you actually get these into your store? Open your Sellvia dashboard and go to Products. Click on Digital Products. This is where all the digital catalog items live: ebooks, guides, checklists, bundles. You can browse by category or search by the product name directly. Find the fitness bundles we went through, or use the catalog ID numbers I showed earlier to search exactly the right product. Click to add it to your store. That's it. The product description is already written, the pricing is set, the delivery is automated. You don't touch any of that. Your job is just to pick the product and let the ads drive traffic to it. So, 5 fitness bundles, $130 to $152 profit per sale. No shipping, no inventory, no product creation. The Sellvia catalog has over 1,300 fitness products in this category alone. These 5 are the highest margin ones to start with. The demand is there, proven by search data year after year. Fitness buyers are motivated, they know what they want, and they buy. Your store just needs to be in front of them. Get started, add these products, turn on the ads, and see what happens. I'll see you in the next one.